Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today I've noticed in my car, my BMW 335i, that I probably should condition my seats because they're kind of, drying out, and, I want to protect them so they don't get damaged over the years. So I usually use this to condition my seats, and I like it, but I want to get something that conditions it on like a deeper level, I guess. I usually just spray this, after cleaning the seats. And I think it works pretty well. If I really want to deep condition my leather seats, I've used this before. There's been even a time where I forgot to close my sunroof and all the leather got dried out from the moisture, and I used this all over, and you can't even tell, I had the sunroof open or anything. But so I like Lexol, obviously, so I decided to buy this kit on Amazon. So let's see what it comes with, and we're gonna condition the driver's seat and then compare it with the passenger seat, and then obviously I'll finish out the car. So let's see what comes in the box. I've seen some mixed reviews on this product. Some people said it was actually taking the color off their seats or after leather products. So obviously we'll do it on a little small section first and make sure that's not happening or anything. So we get this big applicator. We get this smaller applicator, and then obviously we have the cleaner and the conditioner. So let me see which applicator is for which. Here are the instructions. So yeah, I quickly just looked it up online. So it looks like you clean your seats with this sponge, and then you apply the conditioner with this sponge. And here it has like a little pocket for your hand. So besides this, I'm gonna use like little brushes to get into like the crevices of the seats, and we'll see how it works. So this is the condition the seat is in right now. Obviously it's getting like shiny and not that soft over here, and here's the passenger seat. Obviously the passenger seat's in better condition because less people ride in it. But yeah, let's try and clean it. So I have a wet microfiber towel and a dry one, because it mentioned on there that you can wipe away the cleaner with a wet microfiber towel. So let's try and clean this seat.
Drunk, I've never seen you clearer than now. We're flying high, floating somewhere up in the clouds. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real, cause when we're doing our thing, we're like wheels that won't stop turning. So take me on a trip, 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 now trip, trip, trip. Oh, flick that switch, kill the lights. Oh, wasted. City lights are shining so bright. All these empty faces, we don't care about them tonight. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real, cause when we're doing our thing, we're the wheels that won't stop turning.
So I think it's doing a pretty good job of cleaning the seats. So let's wipe it with a wet microfiber towel, and then we'll see if we want to clean it one more time. So I think it did a really good job of actually cleaning it. It's probably, you'll probably have to do this a lot more times if you have like a light colored interior. But I can tell the leather is like less shiny. It removed the shine, so I feel like it removed like oils and stuff like that. So now let's condition it and see how it looks. So my first impressions on this product, I think it works really good. I've seen some reviews on Amazon of people saying they had to use like half a bottle and had to reapply coats of this to condition the seat, but I think a little goes a long way. And as you guys can see, I applied it twice. The first time I applied kind of quite a bit of it, but the second time I applied less, and it covered the seat very well. So yeah, I think the seat's looking awesome. So let's compare it with the passenger seat. Obviously you can see this seat is a lot more moist, and obviously it will absorb some of this conditioner inside, and obviously it will protect your leather. But also, this is the driver's seat, and this is the passenger seat. It just looks a lot drier. Obviously I haven't conditioned the passenger seat in a while, but obviously that's why I have this product. So my final thoughts on this product, I think it works pretty good. I think Lexol is a brand you can trust with your leather interior. None of the color came off my seats or anything like that, like some people are mentioning. So if you're skeptical about this product, I don't think you should be. I think it works great, and it's awesome that it comes in a kit, and it's pretty affordable. So yeah, thanks for checking out this video, guys, and if you want to see more content like this, make sure to subscribe. Thank you.